Dr. EDworks Mandu, Executive Director of the Quantum Seed Company, subsidiary of Seedco Zimbabwe, has died. He was 67. Salabina mashokoni kwakunzi aiwa, a prominent businessman panguva ine otsakatika. Achionekwa kunzi akanga ari munhu mukuru aiwa akanga ane chigaro. The Quantum Seed Company was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Mnauziri Mudanyo Chinsi. He passed away at the Trauma Center in Harare on Saturday morning. In quotes, we are deeply saddened by the passing of Dr. EDworks Mandu this morning at the Borodale Trauma Center, a close relative said. A true icon of the agricultural sector, he dedicated his career to transforming the industry through his remarkable contributions at Seedco and Quantum. Beyond his professional excellence, he was a loving husband, a devoted father, an amazing grandfather, and an inspiration to many. His legacy will live in the countless lives he touched. Dr. Mandu was a key figure in the growth of the country's agricultural sector, spearheading various programs to support farmers across the country. He previously served as MD for Seedco Zimbabwe, the country's largest seed producer in 2020, before he stepped down on medical grounds in 2022. Prof. Ida Stole, Nyang Dean of the Faculty of Science at the University of Zimbabwe, said she was devastated to learn about Dr. Mandu's death. I am deeply shocked. My deepest condolences to his family, she said. He was born on 8 August 1958 at Maronda Mashano in Chivu district. Dr. Manu is survived by his wife, Abigail, 3 children, Lufaro Kudzai and Ishanisu and 3 grandchildren. Do mashoko aripo panguva ino. Choose mafunguro enyu motipema developments awo. Oda kubesa section yedu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.